Okay, listen, just look at your screen right now, because these are the results that you could expect to get from this ELEMIS set. ELEMIS, one of the biggest, I would say, prestige skincare brands in the world, bring us these type of results for our skin. Anti-aging at its best. And now this set right here, I have to say, is a crazy, mind-blowing deal, okay? Because first of all, it goes away at the end of the day, and the free shipping. We have fewer than 650 to go around for you. 24 hours of anti-aging hydration for your skin. You're getting the day cream, the Pro-Collagen Marine Day Cream, Pro-Collagen Marine Night Cream. We're also getting the Vitality Eye Cream, the Peptide Plump Pillow Facial. All I can say to you right now is that the night cream alone on QVC.com is $170 right now. We're saving $60 on the night cream and getting the $140 day cream. We're getting the $96 eye cream, $75 pillow facial. I cannot get over it. And free shipping and handling. Come on in, please, Emer Gillen. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, everyone. Hi.
What an incredible... Do you want to switch? Do you want to go over here?
No.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
I'm good here.
What an amazing value. 24 hours of hydration.
Don't tell anyone, but I think somebody's got something wrong with that price.
I'm telling you, I know.
So good. I mean, so good. And the products are even better.
Really. And again, anti-aging at its best. Yeah. So let's go through everything that, actually, let's go through our options.
Three options, really, yeah. So you're getting a choice of the day cream in here, the glorious Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, the #1 worldwide best-selling product from us. So this is your anti-aging, anti-wrinkle daytime moisturizer. So you have a choice of 3. So here we have the original, where it all started, the icon. It is your beautiful, lightweight, cream gel texture that is the most perfect level of hydration on the touch to your skin and the depth of moisture that it delivers to your skin. It really defies what traditional hydration anti-aging moisturizers used to feel like. Then, with 15 years of research, we found the ultimate SPF. In here you have the best experience of SPF I guarantee you'll ever have. It is everything that you love about the icon, but with that SPF broad spectrum. So that means UVA and UVB protection for your skin. So exactly what your skin needs. And then for those dry, thirsty skins, it could be just the winter that has ravaged your skin's moisture levels, or it could be just aging in general. Your skin has got drier. We give you the Ultra-Rich. That we have dialed up the base. So we still keep all of what you love from the original, the SPF formulation, but the base is slightly richer with that full cream texture. So that's the only choice you have to make with this collection. If you're not sure, I say wintertime right now, go with the Ultra-Rich, because that one is always the most popular at this time of the year.
And I'm showing you right here. It is so beautiful. But don't be afraid, because fewer than 600 to go around. Ultra-Rich, yes, but it really does absorb beautifully into the skin, which is obviously the most important part. Okay, so that's the marine cream, the daytime.
Yes. So then you're getting your marine cream for the day, but you're also getting the full size of the night cream. So it's its perfect partner. These are soul sisters, the day cream and the night cream, and it is the perfect way to protect your skin. So this collection gives you 24 hours of Pro-Collagen power and protection. Now, what exactly is Pro-Collagen? It's all about Pro meaning for collagen for your skin. So we're helping your skin's natural production. We are working with amazing ingredients in each and every single one of these formulations, and we are utilizing our greatest asset, and that is the ocean. So we give you the most phenomenal blends of beautiful seaweeds. Is that the night cream that you've got there?
Yes.
So look at that sumptuous, rich, it's almost like a souffle texture that lavishes your skin with optimal hydration. It's almost like a drip feed of that moisture as you sleep through the night, but it is that breathable second layer while you're sleeping. It is never heavy. You're not perspiring or sweating underneath it. It drinks into your skin and leaves your skin lusciously hydrated, silky soft, and plumped in the morning time. Now, all of what we're talking about comes with clinical proven anti-aging results. So we're working at helping to reduce the visible appearance of lines and wrinkles. We're going to show you some before and afters as well. And, you know, at ELEMIS, we use the most cutting edge ingredients as close to nature as possible, but we propel everything forward with science so that we can give you amazing textures, beautiful aromatics, but results. And that's what we're looking at here. This is the marine cream. You can see how the skin in that before is so crinkled, you know, the texture of the skin, you see the diminishment of the firmness and the elasticity in the before. It is stronger, robust, firmer skin. That is the power of Pro-Collagen Marine Cream.
How is that possible?
And in this collection, we're giving you the ultimate 24 hours of that Pro-Collagen protection. Look how deeply etched in the line is in the forehead, in the before, and look how smoother that line is in the after. But look beyond that. It's the beautiful glow, the radiance, the texture of the skin, the youthfulness of the skin in just 4 weeks.
It's the suppleness.
Yes,
Absolutely. Okay, now all of this is, yes, the sea and all of that, but it's all about Padina pavanica.
It is, yeah. So, you know, we use multiple different types of seaweeds within the products, but we always come back to our hero, and that is the Padina pavanica seaweed. This was discovered many decades ago by a world-renowned cosmetic scientist. He was in the Mediterranean vacationing, and he was just happened to be scuba diving. He stumbled upon a wooden shipwreck and peeled this brown fan-shaped algae away from the wood to reveal that the wood behind it was preserved like time had stood still. Now, ELEMIS spent 10 years researching this seaweed, 52 formulations, multiple clinical trials, and we unlocked the unique potential of this seaweed. And that is what is in every single one of the Pro-Collagen products. And it started with the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. And we've never looked back since. Pro-Collagen Marine Cream is our #1 worldwide best-selling product. And it has proven itself over the past 2 decades to be the ultimate anti-aging, anti-wrinkle day cream, because it targets the visible signs of aging, it gives you clinical proven all day long hydration, and it is the easiest and most comfortable step to slot into your morning routine. Makeup layers beautifully over this as well. You won't help but to touch your face with how soft and hydrated, and the results from this, it's notable from the word go. You know, from the first application, you will see and feel a difference.
I put it on last night and I woke up this morning and I was like, I can't, I'm serious. I washed my face and it was softer, my skin.
It's softer.
It's just, it is really a fantastic bundle, and truly the fact that just the night cream alone right now on QVC.com is $170. Just the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream the day cream on QVC.com right now is $140. We have the whole entire set for you for $110 and free shipping and handling, but only until the end of the day. I don't want you to miss out on this. I want you to try it. If you are already an ELEMIS lover, then this is a stock up moment.
Absolutely.
Because there's fewer than 500 now to go around. When this sells out, we're not bringing it back. It's final order of 2025, and that is it. But for sure, I can tell you that the price and the free shipping go away today at the end of the day. If you were looking for that, first of all, it's a really, really easy setup. All you do is the day cream, the night cream. Oh, and we have the Vitality Eye Cream in here, too.
We do. So we've almost given you a complete routine. We obviously have those 2 full sizes, and they are up to 3 months worth each of those day and night cream, with an up to 3-year shelf life as well. So absolutely stock up. And over here you have got the Energizing Marine Cleanser. So that's the way you clean and wash your skin every single day. We give you that Plumping Pillow Facial. So think of that as like an overnight masking facial.
I never tried that.
You can layer this on top of the night cream. It is phenomenal, packed with peptides. So it's all about the building blocks to the skin. And then the everyday eye hero, it is our Vitality Eye Cream. You're going to use that every morning and every evening. That is the perfect moisturizer for the eye area to address all 8 signs of aging. But these 2 right here are the heroes. This is the 24-hour of Pro-Collagen protection for your skin. I'm asked all the time for people who've never tried ELEMIS before, where do I start? And I will always bring you to the moisturizers, the day cream, night cream. I'll tell you to get our cleansing balm as well, but you can get that on QVC.com. But this is where you start, because this is where you experience #1 results like you've never had them before, because this is clinical proof and we are targeting those lines and those wrinkles, but it's so much more than just that. It's the firmness, it's the elasticity, and this is optimum health and hydration for your skin in that 24-hour. Why a day cream, night cream? Because your skin is different in the day and the night cream, in the nighttime, so we're targeting that.
Fewer than 300 remain. Please get it. I'm telling you, luxury, prestige, anti-aging skincare. For really, I mean, all ages, because you could start to prevent
all
too.
ages. I started using Marine Cream when it launched. I was 22 at the time, I think.
And that's why you look
right?
25.
Am I doing my math? I do.
That's why you look 25.
We turn back the hands of time. I don't look 25, but I'll take it.
I love you. Yes, you do. Thank
Forever
you.
28. That's my hashtag.
Good one. Forever 28.